Hey Adventurepreneurs, it's another week on the road with the Platt family, and this time we're saying goodbye to Oregon and hello to Northern California.
We packed up, hit the road, and before we got to the condo, had to make a quick but emotional stop.
Poor Max. He had to stay in a boarding this week because unfortunately the timeshare condo we're staying at doesn't allow dogs. Not cool.
We promised him we'd make it up to him with extra treats, though.
Nice.
First stop, Calveras, I think I'm saying that right, Big Trees State Park. And let me tell you, big doesn't even begin to describe these giant sequoias.
Guys, these trees made us look like little Lego people. It's like nature went all full skyscraper mode.
My feet are all wet.
The video just does not give, like it's just, yeah, this thing is huge. So this is a tree stump from one of the sequoias, supposedly. It's huge. It looks like a stage. It's that big. They built steps. You can climb up on it. And Adam's doing a little jig. And that's part of the tree right there. It's massive.
Let me zoom in just a little bit. Thought there was a button there I could zoom, but it's not. Really wishing I grabbed my gloves.
Are
your hands cold? Yes. Really?
I don't have gloves. Alright.
Go walk, it's okay.
I mean, how do you even comprehend a tree has been standing here for over 1,000 years? It's like meeting a wise old grandpa tree who's seen it all.
Dad, trees don't talk.
Maybe not to you.
From this angle, it looks crazy.
We're just like frozen. Icicle people.
No, my hands are still warm.
No, sequoias are just amazingly huge. It's so impressive how big they are. Like, just doesn't even show how big they really are on the video. And this is like, this is a downed one over here. You kind of see with the snow on it. And look how big that thing is.
Look over here. You can kind of go and touch them all.
Yeah, that's crazy, huh? I mean, just how massive those trees are. It's crazy cool.
Oh my god, there's more. Oh, that's an inside?
Yeah, so this would be the bottom of the
Wait.
tree.
Wait.
You gonna go in there?
Yeah. Oh no, that's different. It's like a little seat kind of, but I don't want to sit on it.
Yeah, don't sit on it.
From towering trees to Snowmageddon, well, okay, maybe not quite that dramatic, but it was snowing the entire time we were at the condo.
these trees are more than 355 years old. Okay, 3,500 years old. That was crazy.
Okay, walk. Real quick.
I just like doing the, Well, she does the okay.
This
Right?
my shoe.
You lose your shoe.
Oh no. Are you okay? I can't find my shoe.
Or nor. Not the shoe. Oh my gosh, it's way down there.
That's going on the YouTube channel. You're gonna have to put it back on, knucklehead.
My sister lost
beat it
her
against
shoe,
the
so
tree
now she's
for a
not wearing
minute, huh?
anything. She just threw it because it has snow in it. Huh?
Hence the one shoe pose.
Oh my god.
There, your shoe's perfectly normal again.
I can go through with it.
You wanna go through with it? Here you go. Don't drop it.
Okay. Hi guys. Hey. Going through. Okay. It's hard to see. Can't see. Okay. I'm coming. Okay. It's smaller. I'm coming.
Now, I love adventure, but I also like my toes not to turn into popsicles. So we spent a lot of time indoors this week.
But honestly, it was kind of perfect. Cozy fires, family game nights, and just slowing down for a bit. Sometimes adventure looks like this.
And swimming. We swim almost every day.
Yeah, leave it to the kids to find a way to swim in winter.
Are those your goggles, Eden? Are those your goggles?
Alright, time to warm up and move on. On our way to warmer parts of California, we made a quick stop at Mercer Caverns, and wow, this place had personality.
Some of these formations looked like melted candle wax. Others looked like giant rocksicles. It's so cool.
I was half expecting to see Batman's secret lair.
You're not Batman, Dad.
Yet.
And that's another adventure in the books. Northern California, you were cold, cozy, and full of surprises.
What's next? Well, stick around because we've got some epic stops coming up as we keep this adventure rolling.
Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Where should we go next?
Adventurepreneurs out.
So my sister lost her shoe, so now she's not wearing anything. She just threw it because it has snow in it. Huh.
One shoe.
Oh my gosh.
There, your shoe's perfectly normal again.
Don't step. Oh,
Down here to get it.
now your foot's gonna be all wet.
What was I watching the other day?
Okay.
Pony video. The only word he said weird was again. And I'm like, he's from Canada.
So these connect. So I'm going through here to get down to. It smells like peas. Or like, I guess rotten wood probably. Window. Oh my gosh. I want to go so much farther. This is a bridge. And then this little steps.
Here, I'll video. I'll come with you. I'll video.
And it's pretty big. Bigger than the last one. This is cool. I have to duck and Kylie's just walking. Normally.
They're climbing in the middle of a downed tree. There's a big old tree.
This is so
All
cool.
over it. All over it.